Good morning, students. Today we will start fraction. Okay. Now first your question arises, what is fraction? A fraction is a number representing the part of a whole. Okay. Now how? Suppose I have taken one rectangle. Okay, this is one rectangle and I have divided this rectangle into four equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I have divided this rectangle into four equal parts. I will shade only one portion. Okay. So what is fraction? A fraction is a number representing the part of a whole. So one part is shaded out of total parts. So this is known as fraction. Okay. The above value is known as numerator and this is down value is known as denominator. Sometimes you will get confused in numerator and denominator, so you can remember D means down and D means denominator. D means down, so this down value is known as denominator. So you can remember down value is known as denominator. Both are same. Okay. Now types of fraction. Now, how many types of fraction are there? There are three types of fractions. First is proper fraction. Now what is proper fraction? When your numerator is smaller than denominator. When your numerator is smaller than denominator, then it is known as proper fraction. Same way, improper fraction. Improper fraction is reverse of this. When your numerator is greater than denominator, then it is known as improper fraction. 4 is larger than 3 and 3 is a smaller value. Okay. So when your numerator is smaller than denominator, then it is known as proper fraction, and when your numerator is greater than denominator, then it is known as improper fraction. Now third one is mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? When your improper fraction can be written as a whole, thus it is known as mixed fraction. How? I will explain. Suppose I will take this 4 upon 3. When I divide this 4 upon 3, 4 divided by 3, 3 1 is 3 and remainder 1. This is your cube and this is your remainder. So how you will write this? Your cube quotient will come here and your remainder will go here. So 1 upon 3. Your improper fraction can only be changed into mixed fraction. Okay, when you write your improper fraction as a part of a whole, then it is known as mixed fraction. Okay, these are the basic of fraction. Now we will learn addition and subtraction of fractional number. We will take some examples. Okay, first question I have taken 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2. This is addition of fractional number. Both are proper fraction. So how you will add this number? Your first step, you will take LCM of your denominator. Denominator means down value. D means denominator and D means down. Okay. 3 and 2. What is LCM of 3 and 2? In first step, we have taken LCM of 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Okay. So how you will solve this? Write here 6 your LCM. Now count table of 3. How many times your LCM 6 comes in table of 3? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 times. So multiply your numerator by 2. Between if positive sign is there, then write plus. Now again for this fraction count, how many times your LCM 6 comes in table of 2? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 times. So your 1 will be multiplied by 3. So 2 1s are 2 and 3 1s are 3 upon 6. This will become 5 upon 6. This is your method. In all the question you have to apply the same method. Take one another example. 2 1 upon 3 plus y 1 upon 6. Okay. So this is a mixed fraction. First of all, we will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How? 3 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 3 you can write. 2 3 is 6 and plus 1, and this 3 will come in denominator. Same way 5 multiplied by 6. This plus 1 divided by 6. 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 7. 7 upon 3 plus 5 is 30 plus 1, 31 upon 6. Now what you will do? You will take LCM of this number. I am writing the same digit here. 7 upon 3 plus 31 upon 6. Now LCM of 3 and 6. What is LCM of 3 and 6? LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Now again count how many times your LCM 6 comes in table of 3. 3 2 is 6, 2 times. So 7 multiplied by 2. And how many times 6 comes in table of 6? 6 1 is 6, 1 time. So 31 multiplied by 1. 7 2 is 14 and 31 1 is 31 divided by 6. Okay. So 14 plus 31 is equal to 45. 45 divided by 6. Again you can change it into mixed fraction by dividing. 6 7s are 42. Your remainder is 3. So how you will write in mixed fraction? You are dividing by 6. 6 will come in its place only. What is the remainder? 3. 3 will go here and 7 times will come here. This is your answer. You have changed again this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Remember, only improper fraction can be changed into mixed fraction. You cannot change your proper fraction. Suppose I have written 6 upon 7. Your numerator is smaller than denominator, so this is proper fraction, and this number cannot be changed into mixed fraction. Okay.